Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, JDK installed and Eclipse open. Once done, create a new Java project and immediately add the JDBC driver JAR to the project's build path. Make sure to choose the driver matching your SQL server. You should also create a dedicated package and a dbconfig class with connection constants. Setting these basics now avoids class path errors later and lets you write connection code without interruptions. This is the fastest way to get into implementation. Now write the core Java code that connects and queries. You will load the driver if needed, build a JDBC URL, and call driver manager. Get connection, URL, user, password. Once connected, create a prepared statement for safety, execute queries, and iterate a result set to map rows. Make sure to use try with resources so connection, statement, and result set close automatically. This prevents leaks. If you need transactions, set auto commit, false, commit when done, and roll back on exceptions to maintain data integrity. Finish by running a simple select to validate everything and confirm results in Eclipse console. If something fails, first recheck the driver JAR on the project class path and the JDBC URL format. Typos in host, port, or database name are common. Once done, inspect SQL exception messages and enable driver logging for more detail. These logs often reveal authentication or network issues. Make sure your database allows remote connections and firewall rules permit the port. Then rerun tests until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.